All right, I'm in the British Virgin Islands, road town, Tortola, and I am now showing a 46 passenger Manza built in 1996 that came from Miami. This was a COI boat, so I got a couple people looking for ferry boats, and I'm gonna quickly do a quick video and show it a little bit, and then we're gonna get it posted on Harbor Shoppers for sale. This has 3 engines in it, and it's currently with a ferry company, and they will provide the vessel running operational. It needs a couple front windows, which are going to be fairly easy to get, and besides that, do your inspections and use it. But this is a decent sized vessel. I'll get the footage, but it looks about 45-50 foot. It's called Savannah. We already sold another Savannah, so I guess we're gonna put another one up. So if someone's looking for maybe a big dive boat, another boat to move your staff around, take your family and friends, or dive excursion boat, who knows? Maybe you can be big at treasure hunting. Ooh, man, this can move a lot of burgers. Load up your kegs. This is stored on the hard, so if someone wants to come over here and give it a little bit more love before it gets dropped in the water, you can definitely do that. So one engine's being worked on, but they will provide it repaired. 2 other engines are operational. They're Volvos. VD12s. Looks like it's got a strong hull. See if I can get inside. But again, I'm in road town, Tortola, British Virgin Islands, and I'm showing a passenger ferry for sale. 1996. And this is a 46 passenger, and it was from Miami. It was a COI boat. She needs to put the front seats in, place the windows. And if these are some of the things you might not want to do for this boat, the company that's selling it can definitely do any of the repairs or upgrades. Okay, I'll hop down real quick and get another side shot. You can see the whole boat. right, so I'm gonna stop taking pictures and stuff so that I can actually, or stop taking live videos so I can get some pictures for the posting. But I should have this up in the next day or so on Harbor Shoppers with the prices and the details and all that other fun stuff. Thanks for checking us out.